Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make pancakes with crispy edges. Now I'm going to tell you, I don't know where my husband got this. I think Sam's Club or something like that. So basically I'm using a box mix where you just add water. If you want to do it from scratch, go right ahead, but you know your girl's not going to be measuring out all that stuff. The only thing I'm going to do, you don't have to tweak everything, add a little bit of vanilla to this recipe, and I have some butter here. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up and show you how to make pancakes with crispy edges. That's the way I like them. I'm not a pancake eater, so technically you can guarantee that if you have a Cracker Barrel in your area, they always have crispy edges, and that's the first time I've encountered them, and I figured out how to make them with crispy edges. I've been making them for my husband now for 30 years, and I can make some pretty pancakes, but not the crispy edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up and show you guys how to do it. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you quickly what I do. I just eyeball it, just make sure it looks like I have enough pancake mix to make enough pancakes for my husband. And I just add water and keep mixing this until I get it the right consistency. So there's no measurement I'm doing here to show you this can be done. So I'm going to put you on pause, get this to the right consistency, and then come back on and then add the vanilla, and then we'll start cooking. Okay everyone, I've got my eye on. I'm just going to add a drop of vanilla, just because I'm not using homemade. And you see, the consistency I like is pretty thick for my pancakes. I don't like it really thin and runny, but if you like them light and fluffy, that all depends on you. I'm just going to show you how to get some crispy edges. So I'm going to put you on pause one more time, let this come up to temperature. And remember, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I upload 2 videos a week, and I always include an inspirational quote. So I'll be right back with you guys and show you how to do these crispy edges. Okay guys, the first one I'm going to show you how I normally would do pancakes. This is an unoiled pan. No grease whatsoever. I'm using a non-stick. And the heat is on medium-high heat. And what you want to do is you want to see the bubbles. You want to get bubbles all the way across. That way, you know your pancake is ready to flip. And this is not how you make crispy edges. This is traditionally how I've always done my pancakes for years and years and years. And I'll show you how they turn out. See, not bad looking, kind of pretty for a pancake. So, and you know, on the second side, it only cooks for a couple minutes on the second side when you're doing pancakes. Now I'm going to show you how to make them crispy once I get this one out, just to show you a comparison of the difference in pancake and a crispy pancake. Nice brown color. Go ahead and take this one out. Now, for crispy pancakes, you need butter. So, yeah, they don't go into a dry skillet like that. But you don't want it too hot. And if your butter burns, your eye is too hot. I'm cutting my eye down, melting the butter. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to pour into the center of the pan. Like so. You want to make sure you got the butter. That's the trick. That's the crispy edges. Making sure there's butter in the pan that crisps up the sides. And believe it or not, I'm not a pancake eater. I prefer French toast, but it's not breakfast for my husband if there's no pancakes. So I decided to try the crispy edges like I like. So I've got it over medium-high heat. And you see the butter is on there. like it's about ready to flip. So let's give this a look. And there you have it. Beautiful crispy edges around the side. And that is how you make crispy edges pancake. It's the butter. I never knew how they did it. You don't need a griddle. A good non-stick pan will do it. I'll show you one more. And as you probably already know, yeah, I'm making breakfast. I've already done bacon and sausage. I figured you didn't want to know how to see, watch how to see that. So, other side's perfectly done. Take that out. You just want to add more butter. You got to make sure your butter situation is good, and that's what crisps it up. I know it's shocking. Nothing special. Just butter in the pan, and you add the pancake. And you can do silver dollar. I always try to keep them uniform size, not too big, not too small. Work the butter around the edges. Make sure you've got butter there to crisp them up. There you have it, crispy edges again, crispy on the outside. So you get the gist of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these all fried up and then turn the camera around, get set up and tell you guys my joke. Oh yeah, I just wanted to double remind you guys, they're not ready to flip until you see a lot of bubbles, just like that. That means it's pretty much cooked on the other side. You're just flipping it for a couple seconds, so make sure you've got plenty of air pockets in there, then you know it won't rip or fall apart when you turn it. So I'm gonna put you guys back on pause and get this last one out. Okay everyone, there's the final product. As you see, they have very crispy edges. That's the way I like them, and you don't need sour cream or buttermilk or a fancy griddle to achieve this. Just remember, put a lot of butter in the skillet. Okay, so here's my joke. A gentleman was sitting inside a bar across from two heavy-set women. So he looks at the women and he says, "Hi," and they have heavy accents. "Are you ladies from Scotland?" They look at him and say, "Wales, you idiot." So then the gentleman says, "Okay, are you two Wales from Scotland?" He said he didn't remember much after that. Okay, pretty deep, huh? So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video, and come back for the next one. And remember, I'm gonna have more giveaways and a lot of fun stuff coming up in the future. So thanks for watching, and God bless.